Updating your legal name on AstroPay is a straightforward process that ensures your account information is accurate. Follow these steps to complete the update quickly. Step 1. Log into your AstroPay account. Access your AstroPay account by entering your credentials on the official website or app. Make sure you have your current login information handy. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, locate the account settings or profile section. This is typically found in the menu or under your account name. Step 3. Select name change option. In the account settings, look for an option related to personal information or name change. Click on this option to proceed with updating your name. Step 4. Provide required documentation. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 5. Submit the changes. After uploading the necessary documents, review your changes and submit the request. You should receive a confirmation email once your name has been successfully updated. After following these steps, your legal name on AstroPay should be updated promptly. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to customer support for assistance.